Hey everybody, Nick here from the Bearded Housewife. I wanted to take a minute and show you the new cards that are available now on my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. These are my Christmas side edge cards. We have our little snowman, a Christmas present, Santa Claus, a Christmas tree, and then a cute little reindeer with that sweet little hat. All of them come with a coordinating envelope. So I'm going to be making this one with you today to show you how everything gets put together. I'm going to show you design space really quick because there are two score lines that we need to convert from basic cut to score. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we can go ahead and start to make Santa. All right, so I've already uploaded the Santa side edge card into Cricut Design Space. These few steps will be what you do for any of the side edge cards that you get or that you purchase. So first thing that you need to do is come up and ungroup the design. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to find the envelope. That is the envelope group right here. You're going to highlight this black box and then come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight that group and then click Attach. I'm going to move that out of the way. And then the second score line that we need to change is for the card base. So that's this group right here. So click on that score line, come up to Operation, change it to Score, highlight the group, and then click Attach. That's all we have to do in Design Space. So you can go up to Make It, cut everything out, and then go ahead and assemble. Okay, I have everything all cut out here, and let's go ahead and start to assemble. First, I'm going to go ahead and layer our Santa together. Okay, so this is how he layers together. You're going to layer the pink on top of the black, the red on top of the pink, and then these are the different embellishments to go on top. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, and there is Santa. I'm going to set him to the side to dry. Now let's go ahead and do our mats and layers. This is for the inside of the card, this is for the back of the card, and this is where you would write your message. So I'm going to set those to the side. Let's go ahead and layer our Santa onto our mat. So that is done. Now for the card base, we just need to go ahead and fold along the score lines. Go ahead and burnish that really well with your scraper. And now Santa will fit like this. And then the inside of the card is like this. Let's go ahead and add Santa to the front of the card. Adhere the inside here, the inside mat and layer to the inside of the card. See, so then when you fold it, a little bit of that pattern paper peeks out. And then when they set it up like that, you can see more of that pattern paper. Now let's just add our messaging panel. after I layer all these together, I like to give the card base one last burnish. I'm going to set that to the side to dry. Now for the envelope, you're just going to fold along the score lines. Go ahead and burnish those. Take your inlay panel, add some glue around the outside edge and along the cutout of the envelope. All right, flip the envelope around, add your glue along the side flaps here. Bring your bottom flap up and give it a press, and that forms your envelope. So here is Santa. Now you don't have to put in the pattern paper here. You could use the messaging panel in the inside, but I like how you can see a little bit of that pattern paper coming through. That's just my personal preference. I give you both options so you can kind of make the decision on your own. But this is Santa Claus. We have our cute little snowman. Our Christmas present. The Christmas tree. And then that cute little reindeer. All of these are available in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. They come in a variety of file formats for you to use, including SVG and DXF. They all come with their own coordinating envelope, so each one will have a different cutout. And I hope that you make them. I hope that you enjoy them. They're so cute. They're super easy to put together. And yeah, I just love them. Until next time, bye.